Facing try, connecting your device again. Bluetooth error in Windows 11? I'll guide you through solutions to tackle this issue. Stay tuned for a quick fix. Press the Win plus I keys together to launch Windows settings. Click on Bluetooth and AMP devices section on the left, and click on Devices on the right. On the next screen, look for the device that's showing the error, click on the three dots next to it, and select Remove Device. Press the Win plus R keys simultaneously to launch the Run dialog, then type in services.msc in the search bar and hit Enter. In the Services window, go to the right and look for Bluetooth Support Service. Double-click on it. In the Properties dialog, under the General tab, go to Startup Type and select Automatic. Next, go to Service Status and click on Start. Press Apply and OK. To open the Run dialog, press the Win plus R shortcut keys. And now, type devmgmt.msc in the search box and hit Enter to open the Device Manager. Next, expand the Bluetooth section. Right-click on the device that's causing the issue and select Uninstall Device. Click on Uninstall again in the prompt to confirm the action.